Want the ultimate music experience at a great price? Check these out. What up guys, my name is Mario and I do mobile tech accessory reviews so you don't have to. Alright, this is part 3 where I give you my final thoughts. Stay tuned to the end of the video to find out how you can win these. Does this product meet the 3 F's? Form, function, friendliness? Form. It's very beautiful. These are gorgeous headphones. Like, I like them. And you know, look at that. They look really nice, very stylish. And if you wear glasses, these are also, you know, good when you wear glasses. They don't like pinch anything, you know, and it doesn't hurt you, you know, when you're wearing glasses, which is nice, you know. Definitely has form. Check on form. Function, these are great. They sound amazing. They're comparable to the big guys like Bose, you know, Sony, and all those. The price point on these is ridiculous. You know, it's like $100, but you use my coupon code MMTR25, you get 25% off. So you get them for like $75. These are amazing headphones. I mean, ridiculous. For $75, you get these high quality headphones that are like built beautifully, and they just like feel nice and high quality. They don't feel like cheap plastic. The metal band, the memory foam, the leather, or the faux leather, I guess. It's not real leather, but yeah, these are fantastic. Like, these are my favorite. I use these a lot, you know. And you know what? And the funny thing is, I don't even use the ANC as much, but the quality of sound when you switch on the ANC is ridiculous. Like, it sounds super good. And like some other headphones, once you switch out the ANC, it, like, I don't know, for some reason it drops down in volume and all that kind of stuff. These just get better. You know, they just get better. Friendliness, oh, it's got everything. The 3 F's, check. So the 3 F's are good to go on this one. You know, this is a must-have. Great quality sound, and you don't have to pay an arm and a leg for it. Definitely, I would definitely give these guys a look-see and go pick them up at Naztech.com and use coupon code MMTR25 to get 25% off your entire purchase. How do you win these? Well, like I said, as soon as we hit 1,000 followers, we're gonna be able to go live, and then we'll be doing the live event, and we're gonna be giving away these and the gray ones as well. So basically everything you see that I've done reviews on, I'm just giving it away to you guys, you know, because I have plenty of this stuff already. Make sure you guys share, like, and follow, share it with all your friends and everything so that they can get an opportunity to maybe win a prize. And then, you know, let's grow the channel up, and you know, so we can do more and more of these videos for you guys. If you use the coupon code MMTR25, you know, it helps the channel out and you guys get a big discount. No brainer. Don't forget to like and follow for more.